Most scientists are using AI completely wrong, and the problem is they don't even realize it. Right now, AI could dramatically improve your research, but if you're still using it like Google, you are missing almost all of its power. Hi, I'm Dr. Nilson Oliveira. I have been working in scientific research and laboratories environments for more than 25 years, including experience in Brazil, Europe, and in the United Arab Emirates. And throughout my career, I have seen how laboratories really work, not just in theory, but in practice. When you use AI as a search engine, you get generic answers, surface level information, nothing really transformative. And for scientists, that is a big limitation. But here is the key idea: AI is not a search engine, it is a thinking partner. And once you understand that, everything changes. There are different levels of using AI. The first level is using AI as a search engine. You ask simple questions, you get simple answers. But in this way, we are only scratching the surface. Let us start with a very simple prompt. What is green chemistry? This is correct, but very generic. No context, no depth. Now let's improve it. Explain green chemistry for a graduate level student. Now the answer is already more structured, more useful, more appropriated for the audience. We started asking better questions, adding context, and guiding the response. And in this way, we are scratching the surface a little more. The quality of AI outputs depends heavily on the quality of our instructions. Better prompts create better thinking, and that changes everything. Actually, scientists already do it naturally. Imagine a professor asking a research group for help preparing a lecture. This professor needs a presentation about green chemistry. And instead of saying, prepare something about green chemistry, he explained, we need to prepare 1 hour presentation on the concept of green chemistry for undergraduate students in the Department of Chemistry. I want to avoid using long tests on the slides, using only bullet points and the keywords. As you can see, he provided the context, the audience, details, constraints, and the output format. Why? Because with better instructions, we have a better response. And AI works exactly the same way. As you can see, we need to write good prompts if we want good results. But we can go even further. Something more interesting happens. You can ask AI to help you thinking better and even more powerful. You can ask AI to build expected prompts for you. Here it's a prompt I prepared to ask AI to build a prompt for us. As you can see, now we are no longer simply asking questions. We are designing thinking systems. However, scientific prompts require something different. Scientists don't just need information. We need clarity, context, critical thinking, structure, and reliability. So I started developing a framework specifically designed for scientists. This is the Filter Lab prompt template. We shift from a very simple prompt, explain green chemistry, to this. Now look at the difference. Same topic, same AI tool, but a completely different quality. This is not magic, this is a method. And now we will get a much more powerful answer. However, I will not show the results of this prompt now. I am leaving the Filter Lab framework and templates in the description. Test it, adapt it, use it in your own research, and tell me what you create with it. And finally, it's important to emphasize that this doesn't apply to only one tool. You can use this approach with different tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity AI. All generative AI systems respond better when you give them better instructions. We are now in a high level of use AI. We are going deeper. We are not only scratching the surface. If you start to use AI this way, you're moving from asking questions to start building thinking systems, and that can completely transform your work as a scientist. In the next video, I will show you where to start with AI in your work. Subscribe so you do not miss it. And if you already use AI in your work, tell me in the comments, what's your biggest challenge? I read every comment, and your question might become the next video. The future of science will not belong to the people who simply use AI. It will belong to the people who learn how to think with it. Welcome to the Filter Lab.